Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another Fire and Ice review. In my previous video, I did show you guys the Wildfire and Yeti 2-pack. I found these fresh off the pallet at Walmart. Thankfully enough, I was there just in time because they were about to close the doors. So I did get these off the pallet and I was very excited to finally get them. The Fire and Ice are one of my favorite series so far that they have announced, and these two are some of the ones that I've been waiting to get for a while. I do not have the Dalmatian yet, so I'm going to take a look at the Dalmatian. And of course the back of the pack shows Megalodon and the Dragon, which we have reviewed in the past. So you can see here Megalodon and Dragon. So very nice. I did review those. You guys can check the video out. I'll link it at the end of this video. And today we're going to look at the Fire and Ice Max D and Dalmatian. So let's open it up. All right, here they are, the Dalmatian and the Max D. They are running on the same tour. Of course, these two packs are set up as the tour lineup. So you got the Tom Meents Fire Max D and the Monster Mutt Dalmatian driven by Cynthia Gauthier. And of course, it does come with one complaint card right there. So here they are. We will compare the Max D first. So let's take a look at what's different about the Max D. Compared to mine, I don't think there's anything different. Let's take a look. Yeah, I think they're all the same. So I don't think they changed anything overall, but you can see here the same stuff pretty much on this Max D compared to the one they gave me already. So we'll take a look at just this one that I just unboxed from this pack. So you can see here, here's the side, Fire Max D, all the same colors as the real truck. I think the only thing that does not match up with the real truck is the front grille. I think all of this is yellow on the real truck and that's it. But besides that, it's a pretty good representation of the real truck. I have seen it in person, and Tom Meents did an amazing moonwalk that night when it debuted. So there's the Fire Max D right there. Pretty awesome. Got the yellow roll cage, the red chassis, red rims, translucent orange tires, and of course the yellow treads, a red window, and just that really nice body. And you got the spike plates with yellow. The spikes are all printed with yellow. And there's the back. And here's this side. Super awesome piece. Really cool. And here's the comparison to the regular Max D from this year, the orange rimmed one. So you can see there, lots of details just changed to fire. Super awesome. Very, very nice piece to have. And super excited to finally own one that is from the actual box. But this one is the other one that I do not have. So Dalmatian, we will compare it to the normal Dalmatian. So Cynthia is driving the blue one, the Ice Dalmatian this year. And Spin Master actually had a lot of details that aren't on the real truck, but they did, I think, actually look much better than how the real truck looks currently. So let's zoom into the side here. You can see the texture of the fur is really detailed, so you can see all the different lines and intricacies that they added there. You got these spots, a lot of them, a lot of little snow spots on there. A dark navy blue collar and dark navy blue ears and tail. The real truck has black ears in the tail. I think the navy blue color actually looks much better, so it kind of distinguishes from the normal Monster Mutt, which does have black ears and a black tail. But you can see here the details. They were actually able to do more details with the die-cast one than the real truck. It does feature the blue tongue though that the real truck has right there. The nose is navy blue, and you can see the whisker dots right there. And of course there's some really nice detailing in the fur on the nose, and there's the eyebrows in navy blue as well. The blue window, and you can see the icy teeth right there. Very, very detailed. Lots of shading on all of these Fire and Ice trucks, especially with the ones I reviewed last time. You can see the Wildfire had tons of little shading details, and same with Yeti. Even in its fur, it had the blue kind of tones to it. So they've done a great job with these Fire and Ice trucks. They are really, really nice and very popular. They do not stay on the pegs more than one day. If you guys are looking for Fire and Ice, I would definitely buy them if you guys see them, because you probably won't be able to find them again until they restock, if they do. And you can see, of course, it has the white roll cage, the blue chassis, the blue rims, the icy tires, the blue transparent tires, and of course these snowy treads. One of the coolest trucks. Dalmatian truly is one of my favorites. I really didn't like it at first because originally the mouth was supposed to be white, pure white, and that did not look very good. I'm very glad they went back to how it should be, or they changed it to how it should be, which is a blue outer mouth. So they actually had it looking like this before. It was all white, but they changed it to blue. So very good and smart decision by Spin Master to change it back or make it look this way. So what an awesome truck. There's the comparison between the two. So you got the Monster Mutt Dalmatians. The only difference I think between the two, as far as the spots and stuff go, are the whiskers. This one's like a really tiny dot, and now they're kind of more uniform. And you can see the tongues are also different. And there's the top. You can see the collar stones, same shape, diamonds. The collar tags obviously are different colors, and the tails, the ears. So very good though. Very nice detailing. I'm actually noticing something. They changed the detail of the teeth. So you can see how detailed the original Monster Mutt Dalmatians teeth are, that's actually not how the real truck looks. They actually went ahead and made it just like the real truck, where they're kind of plain, so they're very less detailed than these. And it almost looks like they actually changed the casting. It might not be, but it definitely looks like they changed the casting to be a little more accurate. So that's actually something they corrected as they went along with the Dalmatians teeth. Very nice. That might have been why they held off to release this mix so far. So that's very cool. I'm very happy they're going back and fixing some errors like that. So those teeth look just like the real truck. I was kind of wondering why they didn't do those teeth for this one. So I'm glad maybe we'll see a future release of Dalmatian with the corrected teeth with the white style or the regular style. But yeah, you can see how detailed the teeth are in here, and that's not how the real truck looks. It definitely looks like these teeth here with a real smile. This almost looks really menacing looking. That's not how Dalmatian looks. Definitely a softer smile like this one. So very nice. I'd never noticed that detail, now I do. So anyway, that is the Max D, wherever it went. Here it is. The Max D and Dalmatian 2-pack from the Spin Master Fire and Ice series. I am super happy with how this series turned out. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you guys think about these trucks in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan, Monster Jam OCD, signing out.